ever okay for an officer to strike a woman?
What you want to do? I really should. You acting like that you black. You acting like you white when you really black. Don't walk up on me for real. What you want to do?
Did she get what she deserved? Wow. I mean, you gotta tell me, what are the rules here? Because it looks to me like there were other options. Now, I hadn't seen this. I'm gonna tell you, this one wasn't on my radar, but I'm looking at it now. So apparently it's a few years ago, and the officer, what we're reading, man, they had suspended him, but then just let him retire, gave him all his back pay money, no problem, was not prosecuted. They say, oh girl, violated the space, etc., allegedly. What do you think? What do you think about that? Good Lord. Seemed like there was another way to handle that situation. I mean, she shouldn't have been in his space. Not saying that. But man, you got all types of options, don't you? And he did slap her. Wow. And she didn't fall down. Wow. The dude with the body cam, he didn't jump in when she first approached him. My man backing him up right there in camera view, he didn't jump in. What do you think?
For real. What you want to do?